All the doubts in my head slowly faded away. Turn the hurt into hunger.
Oh my God, viewers. This voice, this music, I created it in just one click. Yes, you heard that right. Today, I'm going to show you how you can generate high-quality AI music in seconds. The tool we're using is called Inzmello. This website can turn your idea into a complete music track in just 10 seconds. And trust me, this platform is absolutely amazing. So let's get started. First, let me tell you something important. Many YouTubers today are generating AI music content using different websites, but most of those platforms are complicated and take a lot of time to produce results. However, if you create content like this and upload it to YouTube, you can easily gain thousands, even millions of views. That's why today I've brought you a powerful website, Inzmello. This platform delivers excellent results and it's completely free to use. You can generate songs, create music, and turn your ideas into reality. Making music has never been this easy or this fun. Now, let's begin the tutorial. First, go to the website and log in using your Gmail account. Once you log in, the dashboard will open in front of you. Here, you'll see multiple tools available, such as music generation, lyrics to song, text to song, image to music, lyrics generator, song name generator, AI music extender, vocal remover, and many more. But today, we'll focus on three main features. 1. Lyrics to song. 2. Text to song. 3. Image to music. So first, let's start with lyrics to song. Click on it and make sure to select the latest version, v5.0. Now what you need to do is generate your lyrics. You can use ChatGPT or any AI tool to create lyrics based on the type of music you want. I've already generated lyrics using ChatGPT by giving it a theme. As you can see, I already have verse 1 and chorus ready. Now I'll paste those lyrics here. Next, you need to add a song title. Select a music style. Choose the singer, male or female, your choice. Once everything is set, simply click on the Create, Generate button. Now watch this. Within seconds, the system starts generating your song. After waiting just a little, about a minute, your music will be ready. As you can see, my song titled 7 Viral Songs is now generated. Let me play it for you.
In the dark, I was lost in the noise, chasing shadows in the dark. Every step felt heavy, every dream fell apart. Then a spark lit the sky, like a sign I could see.
Oh my God. Viewers, just listen to this. The voice is incredible. The music feels like a professional pop track. And the best part? It follows the exact lyrics I provided. I only gave it lyrics, and it automatically added vocals, background music, and a complete composition. Honestly, I've never seen a website this powerful before. The lyrics to song feature is just mind-blowing. I'm really enjoying this tool and I'm sure you will too. Also, make sure to download your generated track because at the end of this video, I'll show you how to edit it in CapCut and create a final professional video. Now, let's move on to the next feature, text to song. Click on text to song and we'll continue from there. Okay viewers, now moving to text to song. As you can see, I have already pasted my text here because I had written it earlier and didn't want to waste your time. You can also write any text according to your preference, whatever type of content or theme you like. Here, I selected a female singer, and then I clicked on the Create option. Now let me show you something amazing. Within just a few seconds, this tool converts your written text into a complete song, with a female voiceover included. After clicking the Create button, it takes about a minute. And now you can see, after 1 minute, my music file titled Let the Whole World is ready. Let me play it for you.
Every fall made me grow, still back up from the floor with that fire in my soul. I used to hide in the background, biting down on my tongue, Now the fear feels so tiny compared to what I've become, yeah. Now I'm ready for the world, let the whole world know.
Oh my God, viewers, this is amazing. It actually sounds like a Hollywood-level song. I only wrote a few simple words and it transformed them into a complete professional track, just like trending songs. This means the text-to-song feature is also extremely powerful and impressive. Now let me show you another feature. If you click on the No Vocals option, it will generate music without vocals. That means you'll get pure background music, perfect for videos. So I selected that option and clicked on Create Again because I only wanted background sound without vocals. After a short wait, about 1 minute, the music is ready. Oh my God, this background music is so good. Many of you often ask for clean background music from songs, and this website solves that problem perfectly. Now, let's move to the next tool, Image to Music. Okay, viewers, for Image to Music, first you need to upload an image. You can upload any type of image depending on your theme, dramatic, emotional, sad, love, or anything you want. For example, I uploaded a romantic image, a boy and a girl standing together with a beautiful background scene. Then I selected a random voice option, one male and one female voice. After that, I clicked on the Create button. Now you can see the generation has started. And after a short wait, my image to music result is ready. Let me play it for you.
Breathe in your lashes, catching every shade of day. Breathe in the same breath like there's nothing left to say. This golden hour between us holds the whole world still for its.
Oh my God, this is incredible. This means all three tools, lyrics to song, text to song, and image to music, are extremely powerful and unique. In Image to Music, you can also select different styles like rap, pop, and many more depending on your needs. Apart from that, this website also provides music generator, lyrics generator, AI voice changer, vocal remover, AI sound effects generator, voice cloning. This means you can even clone your voice. Just add your voice and it will replicate it. Overall, this website is excellent in every aspect. Now, I want to show you a quick editing part. After generating the music, I imported an image, the same one I used earlier. Then I added the generated audio below it. After setting everything, I applied some effects like snow effect, and also added the Innsmello logo because I generated everything using this website and want to highlight it. Now, after completing everything, let me show you the final result. I export the video, and now you can see, the final look is ready. A complete trending style music video. Okay, viewers, if we talk about pricing, they offer very good plans. Weekly plans, monthly plans, free, pro, and ultra options. The pricing is very affordable. So, viewers, I personally really like this website. For AI music generation, this platform is trending and extremely powerful. With just one click, your music is ready. So honestly, what more do you need? I hope you really liked today's video. Please make sure to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video with a brand new topic. Goodbye.